Aranda meu takabara. Awara sinaw ni surata.
Araw ngayon ng Nterei and Aonikarawa. Kakanya project kangay sinakabarabara na nasaigo to convectional rainfall.
This thing here is called convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall happens when the sun hits the sea, and the sea give its warm air started rise up to the cloud and form. And when the clouds are formed, the rain started to fall. And this kind of rainfall only happens in places that have no mountains like Kiribati. That's why Kiribati experience this whole day, every day.
Now we are going to explain its process. We use this as the sun, and we use this as the sea. Now, when the sun gives its sunlight to the sea, that is when the sea started to evaporate to the sky. And when it evaporates, that is when the clouds started to form. And when they form, that is when they form in the sky, they get bigger. And when they get bigger, that is when the rain started to fall. And the rain fall like this. That is the rain. And then that is called the convectional rainfall. Do you have any other questions?
Thank you.